What's up, guys? This is episode 2. I just gambled and I got a music beat. Then I got to order cool beat. So this is Benjamin, the bottom one, Philip, Freddie, Benjamin, Philip, Freddie, Barry, and Jerry. Yeah. It doesn't matter if Barry sleeps because he OP. And I unlock where everyone mostly grinds sometimes. Right now, I have a quest to do. I think for Black Bear. So I'm probably gonna come back when the quest is done and just wait. T2, do I have any stickers? Nope, no stickers. Come on, Black Bear, give me something.
I mean, it's alright,
Silver egg. So cheap too. Give me something good, boy. Yo, I don't need fire. I only need blue. Music be just cause you're good. So feed you 1 and feed you something. Here's 4.
I mean, it's alright, like.
I'm gonna come back. Why is my game so laggy? Let's see, what do you want for order quest? I can't even hold 4,000. Yo! How much is my next egg? My next egg is 10,000, okay. Oh, I've not got the tickets up there, okay.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Quest, sunflower field, no. I'm just gonna do whatever I want, not gonna lie soon. Yo! Oh. Oh, that's 10 talks, okay. Thank you. Now for Bear, what do you want me to do? One B is level 4 right now. And who is that? Oh, you, yeah, makes sense. Okay. Because you guys are hard working. I don't have a royal jelly. 15 treats. I'm gonna do that later. Later is never. Okay. No one heard that. You know what? I'm gonna come back when I do the bamboo quest. I know I said I'm gonna come back when that is, but I found a royal jelly and I just got a sticker. So I might just have to go get them. My thing is so laggy. I'm pretty sure you could just go here to on top. Maybe. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, I need to have the bees for that to happen. Ooh, okay. I'm getting close to fall, but oh, wow. So I'm gonna do this bamboo. Okay, so so the plan is going to be still all my stuff. Gamble the fire bee, gamble him. Because no one actually needs him. I don't need him for sure. I don't know if anyone else needs him, but I don't. So give me a blue bee. I set a blue bee to be specific. And I didn't get it. No. Why do I never... Ooh, ticket. Is that a ticket? Oh no, I was about to say, is that a ticket? Is there any more tickets? Tickets? You had to make sure. You had to clean up everything. Guess no more tickets. No, stay here. You guys are so lucky. That's so rare, I think. I'll come back when the quest is done. Boop boop. You guys, I just got this bee, the music note bee, and I already have a diamond bee. Are these blue bees or what? Does it count as a blue bee? I need to see. If it's not a blue bee, I'm gonna have to roll off of it soon just for this extra money. Give her bonus. It's a blue bee. It's a blue bee. Okay, now what about the music note bee? That might actually be the hardest one to see. Carless. I'm just gonna keep it. I don't care. Yo! Okay, I'm still gonna come back when I finish the quest. Hopefully not just other one of these. So when I have this diamond bee, he should help a lot because he is a blue bee, so I'm gonna keep him. Okay, so I have 4,000 space, so I could just do a lot now. Instead of going back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth. Yeah, boy. It was such a good idea to upgrade. This was so worth it, bro. But, by the way, in the background, I was watching my video. I think you heard it. For a second, it's this one.
Oh, finally a cool bee. Finally, thank you.
It's that one. I posted episode 1. Making sure it's a good video. Right now, I don't even better watch it to the end for real. Ooh, 2,000. Bet. Give me some more quests. I don't want red pollen. My bees are not for red pollen. 15 treats. Boy, I only have red treats. Okay. The only reason I gained so much pollen from the blue area is because I have blue bees. I'm saying, bro. Like, holy. These bees are OP. For blue, yeah. I have 4,000 pollen with just 1, 2. Oh my gosh, bro. I got kicked out of my own YouTube channel, so I'm about to sign back in. I don't care right now. Nope, never mind. I don't need to. Okay, let me collect this pollen. Oh my! Oh, pollen upgrade? Pollen upgrade? Then you have to go to sleep. Wow. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Wow, you almost did all of it. Gonna go down. Get it up at the last second. No! That's so cooked. Okay, that clutched. Holy, I almost messed up. This is only with 5 bees that are my thing supposed to. I have a bomber bee that's not for no reason. So, I'm not gonna lie, this episode is one of the best. I already have a music bee, a diamond bee already, bro. This might actually be my main account at this point. At the very start, too. Well, I got 4,000 max. Okay, let's go. Looks like I try hard in the sweat. Well, I think someone has the same idea with the blue bees. Collect this pollen. That makes sense. My diamond guy is asleep. He's my best one. Oh my, that diamond boy solo almost. Okay. I like how he has his own thing because he doesn't want to be like normal. Look at the diamond version. I'm trying to get like this entire row of bubbles probably because they're so OP for grinding. If you like some good stuff. Oh, I don't care about YouTube notifications right now because they're not even on my YouTube channel. What should I buy? I'm not buying no egg for sure because I have only 30. Only. Not 130. Is there any stickers on it? Oh, there's a sticker right there. I saw it. Oh, where? Right here, the plus one. Okay, we got all positive. Oh, nice. They said it in chat. Any other stickers? Wait, I think I could buy an egg. Yes! Bee egg. Collect the bees. Collect the bee. So, these should both be 2 bubble bees. Hopefully. Not legendary. If it is, I won't even be mad. That's so OP. I need to collect 5,000 pollen. Should I? Fine, only because of the dad bear, the black bear guy. Oh, okay. Oh, we could do Commando B. He gets a lot. Let's do him right now. I'm gonna come back when he's like about to die. I think might have found the method. Just stay it in this corner and kind of like this. Well, all my beats are asleep. I don't know why every single one is just there, but mostly the bombs will land up in the back one right behind me, where you see that bomb at. Mostly, not all. Like all the time, it might land on you, might die if you have like a high level one. But if yours is low level like mine, just use this method. It's so easy. Look, because he can't bite you unless if he's like literally jumped up a little bit, he could like nibble your feet. That's it. Bombs, just spam jump on bombs. Look. Or they don't even get close enough at all. So that's why it's so OP for this method. Look at bro. Now where's every single one of my bees now? Oh, finally, music bee. Kill him. You stop sitting there, music bee. Hit him. Did he just try to throw a bomb? Get him. Perfect time. Oh, yep, easy. Guys, killed him. Tickets. Honey. Hit there. What do I have? 32 tickets. I'm not feeling nothing because I didn't get a royal jail. Can I just get a royal jail? That's so hard, bro. Ooh, restart. Any tickets or something? Anywhere? Or stickers? I'll take stickers. I do not care. Wow. Okay. So today we ended up with 1, 2, 3 stickers today. 5,900 pollen. 4,375 capacity. Wait, that's OP. Hold up. If I swear this appears on me again like the first video. Oh my god. Yes, it's not disappeared yet. Get it, bees. Eat up. Yeah, eat it. Eat that. Man, it's still good. I still got some stuff though. Okay. Well. Crunch. What should we get? What should we try to get? How much is next to be? Like 12,000. 16,000. Wait, Olivia, wait. Okay. I got the roll jelly up there. This guy is still grinding here? Got some spare change. Oh, okay, thank you. Well, thank you. So I'm using a macro. I'm mobile, so I don't even know how to use a macro. Yo, I have that on my mini account. It's so OP. But I turned off the beast because it kept on flashing me. Wow, bro. Peak right there for him, but not for me. Is that yellow? I have to. It's just here. I'm getting jumped though. That's not good. I'm gonna die. Guys, help! The bro just jumped on me. That's why I died. No. Boy, get away from me. Get away from me. Okay, good. I didn't die. Yo, that guy's actually good. Yo, why are you here? These are mine. No! I need this! Oh, thank you. Ooh, I could get this bro. Yo! Okay, get away from me. You're a sweat. No life, loser. Ooh, I almost took that. Okay. Hopefully we find a sticker on the way. Can you tell me what the stickers do? I only like them because the looks. That's completely... Where did you come from? Holy macro! Oh man, that was the fastest macro person I've seen today. Okay. We got 3 tickets today. In total, ever. That's a lot of tickets. No, I mean stickers. But I got a pretty good amount of tickets. Guys, I think my game might be lagging. Oh, okay. Give me something good. Okay. So I'm getting more bees than anything right now. So I think I might just end the episode 2 right here. And I think that's gonna be it for this episode 2. So today I got 1, 2 legendary bees, and 1, 2, 3, 4 more bees today. And after that, I got a bomber bean that kind of does something. Then this thing is going to be pretty good for late game. Diamond bean, I'm going to use. Because right now, the only reason I'm trying to collect blue bees early, and that's why I'm saving up my tickets, 32 tickets. Just because of this, right here. 250 tickets. It just helps a lot. So that's the only reason I'm doing this for. So, this is just supposed to be for money and everything. So, this is my best episode yet. Like, subscribe, comment if you like this episode, and if you watch to the end, you're a W. And see ya and P. Oh wait, did I just see a vicious bee? Where? Cloverfield. I think that would be a good thing to end. Never mind. Okay, see you guys.